everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add a new background to a video in CapCut. So first, if you want to add a new background, you need to first remove the background, the current background that you have to the video. So just click on a clip and find cutout and click on remove background. Okay, so after that, just click on a check icon and wait for the removing background process to finish. Okay, so the background has been removed. Oops. And now you can add the new background. So here there are two options that you can use. First, go to canvas first and then click on background. So you can choose the background provided on Canva like this. In here there are lots of options that you can use like this. Okay, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your video the best, or you can also use your own background by clicking on this. You can add an image that you want to set as the backgrounds. Okay, but I'm going to just use this one, and after that just click on the check icon and there you go, you'll have that new background. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. Don't forget to click thanks, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.